Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to add an email address to your Gmail address book. It's a really straightforward process that makes managing your contacts easier and ensures you don't miss any important emails. Let's break it down step by step. First, make sure you're logged into Gmail and head over to your inbox. Find an email from the person you want to add. If your inbox is full, just use the search bar at the top to quickly locate it. Now that the email is opened, look up at the top where the sender's name or email address is displayed. This is where the magic starts. Hover your cursor over the sender's name or email. A small pop-up window will appear, giving you quick access to contact management options. Inside that little window, you'll see an icon that looks like a person with a plus sign. Click it, and just like that, Gmail saves their info to your contacts. Once added, Gmail confirms the action for you. Having contacts saved means you can easily create filters, groups, and keep your communication organized without memorizing email addresses. And that's it. With just a couple of clicks, you can add anyone to your Gmail address book and keep your inbox workflow smoother. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.